This is the easiest way for you to save counter space and cook insanely good meals without using a big oven. Problem: if you're like me, your kitchen counter is always crowded. Air fryer here, toaster there, plus the big oven that takes forever to heat up. It's annoying, it's messy, and honestly, it kills your motivation to cook anything. Discuss the solution. That's why the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer is such a game changer. It literally solves every one of those problems in one single appliance. It flips up and stores flat against your backsplash, which means you get 50% of your counter space back instantly. No bulky machine just sitting there. More details examples. And it's not just a toaster oven, it has 8 different cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, bagel, pizza, and even dehydrate. So you can make crispy fries with 75% less fat, bake a full 12-inch pizza, roast 6 chicken breasts at once, and dinner for a family of 4 can be done in like 20 minutes. The Oven Crisp technology cooks evenly from edge to edge, and because it's 80% more energy efficient than a full-size oven, you're saving time and money every time you use it. Plus, the removable crumb tray and stainless steel build make cleaning ridiculously easy. If you want a compact, fast, and seriously powerful kitchen upgrade, grab it using the link in my bio. Trust me, this one's worth it.